Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this cute cat card holder. I'm using chenille yarn with a 3.5mm crochet hook. But you can use any yarn that matches this hook size. To make it easier to see, I'll switch to a different yarn for the first few rows. Slip knot to start. Chain 8. Insert your hook into the second back bump from the hook. And work one single crochet into each back bump across. You should have 7 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. For the next row, place 2 single crochets into the first stitch. Then work one single crochet into each of the next 5 stitches. And finish with 2 single crochets in the last stitch. You should have 9 stitches. Chain 1, turn. Next, we're increasing again at the beginning and the end. Place 2 single crochets into the first stitch. Then work one single crochet in each of the next 7 stitches. And finish with 2 single crochets in the last stitch. You should have 11 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. For the next row, we're doing the same thing. Start with an increase. Then one single crochet in each of the next 9 stitches. And finish with an increase in the last stitch. You should now have 13 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. From here, It's super simple. Just one single crochet in each stitch all the way across, keeping 13 stitches in every row. At the end of each row, chain 1 and turn your work. Continue like this up to row 40. And feel free to adjust the height here if you'd like. Now we're going to start shaping the top. Go ahead and single crochet 2 together. So insert your hook. Pull up a loop. Then insert into the next stitch. Pull up another loop. And pull through all loops. Then work one single crochet in each of the next 9 stitches. And finish with another single crochet 2 together. You should have 11 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. For the next row, single crochet 2 together. Then one single crochet in each of the next 7 stitches. And finish with another decrease. You should have 9 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. And for the last row, single crochet 2 together. Then one single crochet in each of the next 5 stitches. And finish with one more decrease. You should have 7 stitches. Go ahead and fasten off. And that's your first panel done. Next, make 2 more pieces, starting from row 1 and stopping at row 16. Now let's assemble the pieces. Place the 2 smaller panels onto the long one, aligning them with the first 16 rows on each end. Use stitch markers to hold everything in place if needed. Once everything is in place, go ahead and join your yarn. Chain 1 to secure. And we're going to single crochet around the edge to join everything together. Where the pieces overlap, make sure to insert your hook through both layers and work your single crochet. and when you reach the sections where there's only the long panel, just continue working one single crochet along the edge as normal. Try to keep your stitches evenly spaced as you go. When you're finished, go ahead and fasten off, and weave in your ends. Now let's add the little ears. We're going to crochet them directly onto the bag. Start on row 15, and find the third gap from the edge. Insert your hook into that gap, pull up a loop, and chain 1 to secure. Then work one single crochet into that same space. In the next gap, start with a half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the gap. Pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Next, make a treble crochet. Yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the gap, and pull up a loop. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops at a time, 3 times, until you have 1 loop left. Then finish with another half double crochet in the same gap. Then in the next gap, work one single crochet and fasten off. For the second ear, just repeat the same steps on the opposite side, it's exactly the same. Weave in all your ends on the inside of the bag. Next, attach the eyes. Just make sure they're nice and even on both sides. Then use some black yarn to embroider the nose and whiskers. Just take your time here and adjust the shape as you go. You can also add a small loop at the top. Attach your yarn. Chain 1 to secure. And work 3 single crochets. Then chain 1. Turn, and work 3 single crochets again. Repeat that for a total of 6 rows. Once you're done, leave a short tail. Then fold it over, and sew it onto the bag to create the loop. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.